Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Service Pack 1 is installed because this DLL error often appears on outdated systems. Create a system restore point now so you can roll back if needed. Next, download and install the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64. The runtime supplies required APIs. Once done, restart Windows to let installers register libraries. Make sure you run installers as administrator, and note whether the error persists after the reboot. Once basics are covered, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and execute sfc/scanno to repair protected system files. This can restore missing Api-ms-win-core-synch-l1-2-0.dll. If SFC fails, identify the app architecture and obtain a matching DLL from a trusted machine with the same Windows 7 build. Copy the DLL into C, \Windows\system32 for 64-bit or C. To finish, reboot and run the problematic program. Running it as administrator can reveal permission issues. If the error remains, uninstall and reinstall the application so its installer can register dependencies properly. Also open Windows Update and install all optional platform updates. Some API sets come from platform patches. If problems persist, try a clean boot to rule out startup conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if replacements fail, restore your system point and collect the app's error logs before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.